Now, we're excited to show you a truly futuristic feature. You may move the TV back. This device is really one out of the future. Can I request Isha to give an explanation about it?
Augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR are truly powerful technologies. And then we have mixed reality or MR, which is a hybrid of AR and VR. GeoFiber is completely mixed reality capable.
With Tesseract, a leading mixed reality startup that Jio has invested in, we will show you how MR supported by GeoFiber will transform our lives with 3 specific use cases: shopping, education, and entertainment. Let's wear our MR headsets.
Oh, thank you.
Can we also have one of our headsets mirrored on the screen, please, so the audience can see what we're viewing? Perfect, thank you.
MR has hundreds of use cases, but let's explore shopping first.
To begin with, let's bring onto stage some of the clothes Akash would like to shop for. Perhaps formal wear?
Isha, online shopping always leaves me a bit confused. I never know how it will actually fit or what color will really look like. But today, we have something truly game-changing. A 3D hologram that Jio has developed in our own MR lab. Let me load my hologram to show just one such use case today.
Wow.
I can finally see which shirt color suits me best and which one I know will select. Maybe not this green one, maybe next.
Yeah, I think the red one suits you best. Maybe we should buy that.
Okay, great. I'll just put it into my cart and I'm sure I'll deliver home soon. There we go.
And there we go, the shirt is in the cart.
Now that's what you call an immersive shopping experience, right in the comfort of your home. Let's now move on to a second use case, education.
With GeoMR, we can take learning to a whole new era of interactivity. Everything we study, we will now be able to experience in all 3 dimensions, something we never had when at least I was in school.
The use of MR in education will increase the level of engagement and understanding in students and can be applied to all disciplines.
One of my favorite modules in school was learning about the solar system. Today, I want to show you how we can learn the simple equation of time, speed, and distance in the context of our solar system. Let me bring up our solar system onto our screen. And that's our solar system. The blue dot is the Earth. From this distance, it looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
Can you calculate the time taken for Chandrayaan to travel from Earth to the Moon?
The simplest way to do that would be to use the time-distance equation, where time equals distance between the Earth and the Moon divided by the speed at which Chandrayaan travels. But as we can see using this incredibly powerful visual aid, the distance is not a straight path. The spaceship actually curves around the planet. So calculating this would be slightly more complex. But it becomes so easy to understand when you see it in all 3 dimensions. By the way, seeing it like this really makes you appreciate the immense complexity of actually reaching the moon. So let us give a big round of applause to ISRO's all-women team of Chandrayaan.
Guys, that reminds me, did you know that the amount of fiber laid by Jio can actually circle the Earth 11 times?
That's incredible. And this technology and content is powered by yet another startup that Jio has invested in, Embive, an AI-powered learning platform. Now, let us move to the third and final MR feature that we're going to showcase tonight, entertainment in mixed reality.
Now, this is my favorite. The larger the size of the screen, the more fun it is to watch your favorite content. So what if we could experience a movie as if we were in a large home theater simply by wearing our MR headset? To show you what I mean, let me play one of the most popular movies that we have from Jio Cinema. Wait a second, you said it's possible. After all, we have an MR headset. In our headsets, we can actually watch the same movie as if we are sitting in a large screen theater. Let's try this. It's like you're sitting in a real cinema hall, isn't it?
Unbelievable. There's so much more to show you, but this brings us to the end of our demos for today. So we can finally take our headsets off.
Now this mixed reality device that you are seeing is called the Jio HoloBoard, and it is made by Tesseract, which is one of the startups that Jio has invested in. It'll be available for purchase in the market very soon and at an extremely affordable price.
We hope you enjoyed the experiences of these demos today. You, our customers, are at the heart of everything that we do. And all of this has been designed with the sole purpose of giving you a delightful experience.
This is just the tip of the iceberg for JioFiber services. As always, we will continue working hard to bring more and more amazing services to your home and take JioFiber to the next level. Thank you very much today, and
इन खबर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।